Hello everyone. We are going to look into the example on dictionaries. Over here we have written a sample program to look in how the dictionaries are executed. To look into dictionaries, we have created a list of data X, where the elements are 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. These are the elements of the list X. Then we are trying to create an empty dictionary by the name my_dictionary. Over here we are going to also look in how duplicate elements are handled by the dictionary. So we are defining the for loop for I in the range of length of X. So the length of X gives us the count, how many elements are there in the list. The next, my dictionary of X of I is equal to count X dot count of X of I gives us how the dictionary handles the elements of the list. So then print dictionary. We will now look in how this code executes in steps. So the first step, if you look in, so this shows you how it is handling the list. So the variable X is going to have the list from 0 to 10. So number of elements that are going to be there are 11. So when you hit the next button, so an empty dictionary is created, and this is going to be linked to the list which is already created with the variable name X. So it is now the dictionary is pointing to I of 0, that is the first element of the list, which is 1. Over here you can just observe that there are three elements, 0, 1 and 2. At these locations we are going to have the same element, that is 1. So the count of 1 would be 3. So the count of the 1 is going to be 3. That is, the dictionaries cannot contain duplicates. So it is already given the value that how many number of times the 1 is there in the dictionary. So next it is going to check for I of 1, similarly for I of 2, then for I of 3, that is, it is 2, then the number of time 2 is there in the dictionary is once. Then I of 4, it is once, 5 it is twice, and 6 it is twice. So this is the content of the dictionary. Thank you.